Hi, I'm Jennifer Ferguson for Instant Weather Ontario on November the 11th, Remembrance Day. It is cold and it is snowy for a lot of us. We do have this winter snowstorm. We're going to start to see big accumulations happening. And with this snowstorm, it comes complete with watches, warnings, and travel advisories. I'll have all the details coming up in today's video. So the snow started in southwestern Ontario last night. It's going to continue for you as it moves through the rest of Ontario to the north and the east, looking at starting later this afternoon in eastern Ontario. And once it starts for your area, it should last about 12 hours, maybe up to 16 hours for some of us. And when you have snow that's falling for that long, that's when you start to see your totals increase and you start to see more snow, obviously, on the ground. It's going to end for you in the southwest around midnight tonight. For South Central Ontario, early morning hours, Central Ontario tomorrow morning, and then for Eastern Ontario around noon tomorrow, that's Tuesday. So what we've got is this low. It's moving south of the Great Lakes, and so it's moving again quite slowly, but the biggest totals accumulation-wise are going to come near the border. So you're going to see that, around the Sarnia area, in Eastern Ontario around Brockville, and then of course through maybe Toronto and Hamilton, Niagara. Those areas are looking at the biggest accumulations at this point. And another factor in that is the strong winds, which is bringing on the lake enhancement snow. So obviously areas around the Great Lakes are going to see more snow than areas that are inland. Let's take a look at the maps now. And we're going to take a look at the big picture first. So the further north and west you go, you're going to get less snow. So, some areas are going to see not even 5 centimeters of snow. Haliburton up through Petawawa and Midland might get 5 to 10 centimeters of snow. Most of us from this system through southern and central, even eastern Ontario, are looking at 10 to 20 centimeters. But again, there are a few areas that we're really concerned about, and one of them is the GTA through Hamilton and Niagara. So closer you get to the lake in Toronto, you're looking at 15 to 25 centimeters. Through Hamilton, Ancaster, Dunnville, Port Colborne, Fort Erie, looking at 20 to 40 centimeters, and then a small pocket that could see 30 to 60 centimeters of snow, and that's through Mount Hope, Grimsby, Welland, Niagara Falls, and St. Catharines. So lots of snow potential for you there. Another area is on the southern shores of Lake Huron, Strathroy, Petrolia, Sarnia, Grand Bend, all looking at 20 to 40 centimeters, and then a small area near Lambton Shores, 30 to 60 centimeters possible for you there as well. There is a chance that we could get 20 to 40 centimeters, so significantly more than a lot of us are going to see, just south of Collingwood off Georgian Bay. We're watching that area as well. Eastern Ontario, right on the border through Brockville and into Cornwall, you could get 20 to 40 centimeters as well. Again, the rest of us looking about 10 to 20 centimeters from this system. Now, interesting to note that these areas with the higher snow accumulation do include some squalls that are going to develop after this system moves through. So the squalls are going to start Tuesday later in the day and on Wednesday. So your totals do include those squalls, and that's mostly around the shores of Lake Huron and up near Georgian Bay as well. So you know how it gets on the roads in that first snowstorm of the season. We do have some heavy snow for a lot of us expected through the evening commute tonight, and also if you're in central and eastern Ontario, through the morning commute tomorrow as well. So if you don't have to go anywhere, just stay home. And if you do have to go somewhere, drive slowly and drive carefully. You know how crazy it is out there in that first snowstorm of the season. I hope that you stay safe. I hope you have a great day. And don't forget to take some time to remember today. For Instant Weather Ontario, I'm Jennifer Ferguson.